Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Underline the new words. Underline the new words. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Practice at home every day. Practice at home every day. Don't forget your pencil. Don't forget your pencil. Don't give up. Don't give up. Try again. Try again.
Try again.
Finish your homework tonight. Finish your homework tonight. Ask if you don't understand. Ask if you don't understand.
Yeah.
Bring your dictionary tomorrow. Bring your dictionary tomorrow. Share your ideas with the class.
Share your ideas
With the class. Work with your partner. Work with your partner. Pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. Speak in English, please. Speak in English, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Turn to page 10. Turn to page 10.
Page 10.
Write your name on the paper. Write your name on the paper. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Answer the question. Answer the question. Check your answers. Check your answers. Copy the words in your notebook. Copy the words in your notebook. Read the sentence out loud. Read the sentence out loud. Look at the board. Look at the board.
Look at the board.
Come to the front. Come to the front. Open your book. Open your book. Listen to the teacher.
I'll listen.
Listen to the teacher. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Don't talk during the exam. Don't talk during the exam.